Alright, are you ready to learn fingerstyle for beginners? Hopefully you are getting into fingerstyle. So by the end of this video, we'll have a pattern you can use, and it's a pattern that you can use to accompany a song. So for this specific one, we'll be using The House of the Rising Sun. If you haven't seen my other video for fingerstyle guitar tutorial, please check that out on how to set up your P, I, M, and A fingers. So the pattern that we're going to be using is P, I, M, A, M, I. So P, I, M, A, M, I. And what I'd like you to try and do is try to do a rest stroke with your thumb. That way when you move your fingers inwards, you have some kind of an anchor to your strings as you move through. So the pattern is going to go like this. Okay, and then you reset again. I'm just kind of draping the strings with my fingers here for muted strings. But if you want to, you can play them open like this. Okay, so I'm going to slow down a little bit. This is my comfortable pace. I always have to remind myself to slow it down a little bit when I'm teaching. And then set it up. So that's our first step. Now let me see if I can get another angle here. So the next step is to try and make it in a pattern, so consecutive. So if you need to slow this down, please try to slow it down if it's not happening for you. And then if it's really hard to do the pattern PIMA, try to just practice each one of the finger independents that I showed you in the previous video. And please notice that we haven't done any left hand chords. We haven't started any of that. So it's important to just focus on the right hand, and then we'll add the left hand after. So some of the things you want to be aware of as you're practicing. It's always a good idea to either record yourself and or have a mirror in front of you so you can see your movements and you can really analyze, because when you're just kind of looking from the top down, you can only see a part of your technique. Try not to float when you're playing. So floating would be and kind of a bouncy as well. Try not to do that. So try to use your rest stroke here with the thumb as you move through. Another important one is the wrist. Try to have it nice and straight. You don't want it too far inwards. You can't really move your fingers with the follow through, and too far outwards this way. You don't want to do that. And then try to relax your thumb as you play through. So now I'll just demonstrate the chord progression for The House of the Rising Sun. And if you like to get the chord progression and the chords, click down below and it'll take you to my website.